Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new release from Solido at the 118 scale. We have here the Nissan Silvia S15 from 1999. This is, as I mentioned, this is a new release from Solido, and we have it in two color combination. We have it in white with silver wheels and red and black interior, with the second version being the red one with gold wheels and gray and white interior. Let's start with the white one. Everything looks pretty good in the front, a lot of details. Both of them have the Japanese license plates. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. Also we have the brake discs and brake calipers. We have Spec-R written here in front of the back wheel, and in the back we have this huge wing, in my opinion, and also we have the Nissan and Silvia logos as well as the Japanese license plate and the exhaust tip. Underneath the model we have some details. I think they're above the standard that Solido used us to have underneath the car, and I think it's a good thing. Of course, being a Solido, we have opening doors. Sadly, they open quite hard, and I have to pull the rear view mirror, but I don't really like the side mirror, so sorry. Of course, being a Japanese, the steering wheel is on the other side. There we go. There we go. The dash looks pretty good. Also, I really like the red and black interior of this one. Also have the handbrake and gear lever there on the center console. Let's check the red one as well. In front, everything is the same. We have a different Japanese license plate. The wheels are the same, but on this one, as I mentioned, they are painted in the gold. And basically in the back is the same except for the license plate. And also underneath the model there are the same details. Let's open the driver's side to check the interior. I have to say I don't really like the color of this interior very much. I really like the red one's interior better. I would love the combination with the red exterior and red and black interior, but this is what Solido decided to go for. Tell me in the comments which one do you like the most, and also if you're gonna buy the model. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.